I'm moving swift like I'm Danny Garcia, but nigga, I ain't throwing jabs.
I was on the block with the Glock all day, little nigga, I ain't doing no lagging. Like the outside do, I'm trapping.
Ain't get no classic, bro. That shit a foot long, bro. No diddy. We won't do those. What's going on, YouTube? SRT Will back with another video. And in today's video, we letting my cousin, Grinch, you feel me, take the SRT today. Hopefully he don't, you feel me, take my shit. I hope not. But we about give him the keys, and you feel me, he about to snap. And he gonna go pick up my mans. I don't know why he's scooping my mans, but you feel me? He about to pick up my mans, and you feel me? I don't know. I'm finna watch this video later, you feel me? Hopefully they don't beat my bitch up. Yeah, I'm gonna tap in when it's in his POV.
Nigga, my only concern is getting these racks. Ain't tripping about getting the play. I always knew that the tables would turn. Now look at these bitches, they try to interact. Double back, I'm in a gallery, trucker the head. Look at my salary, I'm touching that. Ain't no apologies, I'm in my act.
I'm gonna fucking straight here.
He went broke, we ain't giving no pass. Niggas can't even ride past. Hit that, make them crash.
The draft. I'm moving swift like I'm Danny Garcia, but nigga, I ain't throwing jabs. These hoes get around, I ain't mad. I held niggas.
Yeah. Every time I run, bitch, run that pole, you know I ain't lacking. Bitch finna do me a show, turn up on the stage and collect my back end. I just met a bitch from the hood and her ass so fat, I wanna fuck her from the back end. Everybody in my gang, they stand tall, niggas, we ain't doing no ragging. I ain't heard shit. I was on the block with the Glock all day, little nigga, I ain't doing no lagging. Like the outside do, I'm trapping. Up the Glock and I'm gon' get the clapping. Pop that nigga in rapping fashion. Get that Glock on me, it's fashion. Pussy boy don't make me mad. So gang come through, get whacked. Them niggas who gangsta, put that little boy in the box. Just like the Undertaker, these bullets gon' bake it. Just like the sun in Jamaica.
Oh shit.
I took one, then took a few more. When really I should've took half. Think that I know she a whore, but when she with me, she act like she got class.
What's up, y'all? Oh, Grinch, you shoot the fuck we in right now. Type shit. I started to see my cousin let me have that joint for the day. He would have been, bro. I think I'm gonna strike that shit. He ain't getting that joint back. You feel me? We come around the car. This wide body blue car. Look at this shit. Feel me? Pop it, feel me? They got the little blue LED. You feel me? Yeah, you feel me? We gotta change the theme up. Feel me? Don't get too close back here. Yeah, I got that shit on me though, too. Yeah, don't be about to go on ShopRite. Feel me right now? Try to get some flowers. Flowers, get some. What's happening with y'all? Really drip. You going to the ShopRite right now? You. I don't know where the flowers at. You. I'm gonna put your own things, bro. If y'all wanna buy your girl flowers and you want a budget, just go to ShopRite, bro.
Have assistance needed in the bakery department, assistance needed in the bakery department. Happy holidays.
They won't let me out. They won't let me out.
Assistance needed in the bakery department.
You're doing this early already, bro. You about to get kicked out. But I'm gonna buy these. And I'm gonna tap in where it came from. Where you at? You scared? Yo.
It's the Grinch, right? Y'all funny as hell.
Where the fuck my wheel at? Oh, Grinch. Oh, you just picked up the flowers and shit. I mean, I'm a little mean, but I can be nice sometimes. I might get it to my little boo. One of them. Yeah. But shit, we might go cut up in the trenches. We might slide some corners. They called the cops on me, I think, so we might have to dip real soon, bro. I don't know, bro. I'm bitching, but shit, I'm gonna tap in with y'all here. After sliding a little bit, we had to go get some eat. A little hungry and shit. I felt like sand out this joint. I can't order food, yeah.
Dude.
Alright. Dude, I'm about to give you a little hoagie and shit. I'm gonna show y'all what I get. Look, little hoagie.
Damn, dog. I can't even
I need you to do it, Brady. Come on, please help me. Quick, that one. Alright.
What you want?
Little honey smoked turkey. Yeah. Honey smoked turkey, yup. Shit, give me the camera, man. Shit, let me see you get some, bro. Yeah. I want a little clap. Nah, give me a little shorty, John.
You want a shorty?
Yup. Yup.
Corn,
No cheese, Brady. I don't do the cheese, bro. Nothing, nope. Little lettuce, little pickles, little onions. Next tab, a little pepper. Feel me? That's it. That's it. That's it. Turn that bitch up.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all. When we pay for that joint, we be right back. We gotta get some fucking eat, y'all. Feel me? Her niggas gotta eat. Her Grinches gotta eat.
Man, shut your bitch ass up, nigga.
Yo, between me and you, I beat this shit out his car, like. That bitch might blow up tonight, you heard? With a shorty, I don't get the big dogs, bro. That's a little pause. You gotta get a shorty.
Exactly.
You ain't get no classic, bro. That shit a foot long, bro. No goodie. We won't do those. Alright, y'all, we might get the fuck active in his wood, yeah.